Hello, programmers. Today I'd like to show you how to model or show an insect pollinating a flower in Scratch Junior. So right now I have my new Scratch Junior project, and here's Tick. I don't want Tick though, I need an insect to show it pollinating. So I'm going to click on the yellow triangle with my mouse pad, and then click on the white X, and Tick disappears. I'm going to add an insect. So in Scratch Junior, there are only two insects, and that is the butterfly and the fly. So I like butterflies, so I'm going to choose the butterfly. And now the butterfly is in my project, but I want it to be in a pretty scene in the background. Up here at the top, there is a little picture here of a field, and I'm going to click on that, and it gives me all the backdrops or all the backgrounds I could choose from. Well, I know that there's one that already has a flower in it. Actually, there's two here that I know about, and there's this one, the spring, and then there's this one, the river. I'm going to choose the spring so you can see it here. So here's the spring, and there's flowers. They're pretty tiny, but I could show my butterfly pollinating these flowers. Instead, I'm going to add another one to show what you can do if you don't have a scene that, so maybe I'll choose this scene of the farm, and it doesn't have a flower. Okay, so I need to get rid of tick again, and I'm going to add my butterfly back in. Okay, so there's no flowers here that I like. So I can add another sprite, and there's some sprite flowers here. If I scroll down towards the bottom, there they are. Lots of flowers. I like this yellow flower here, a daisy. It's nice and big. Okay, so there's my daisy. Now, if the daisy wasn't big enough, you can click on the purple square with the white sort of person silhouette here. If I click on that, I can drag this down where it shows a person, a faded person, and then a white sort of silhouette. And if I click on this, watch what happens to the daisy. It gets bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. What if I made it too big? I can bring down this other block and it'll shrink it down. So I think I want it bigger. I want a nice big flower for my butterfly to pollinate. And then I can get rid of these. So that's how to change the size of your flower. Now let's go back to our butterfly. I want to show my butterfly pollinating this flower. So I'm going to drag it over here, and and you see my yellow rectangle is highlighted here. So now I'm in the daisy, now I'm in the butterfly. I know that I can do a computer program for the butterfly now. So I'm going to go over to the yellow square with the white sort of box, the white tab in it. And I'm going to drag down when green flag clicked. That means when the green flag clicks, I'm going to start my project. And what happens? I want my butterfly to move over and to kind of bounce on the flower like it's pollinating it. So I'm going to go over, I don't know how far I want to go. I'll have to test this. Let's go over 8 steps. I put in the number 8 down here under that, and I'm going to click underneath the blue arrow, or the blue box with the white arrow, and I'm going to click on the green flag. Oh, that's perfect. I click on the green flag, it's going to go back to the starting place. Yes, okay. Now, I want it to bounce up and down like it's touching the flower, pollinating it. So I'm going to go up using the up arrow. Let me go up 2 steps. I'm not sure how high that is. And then I have to come down 2 steps. And then I think I want my butterfly to fly off to the right. So maybe I'll put in another arrow here and it'll fly off maybe 6 steps. So it's gonna click the green flag, fly to the right, bounce up and down, and then fly to the right like it pollinated and then it's flying off. So I'm going to click the green flag and see what happens. Oh, I like that. Now, I could do more bounces if I wanted it to pollinate several times. And here's a tip. You can put in something called a repeat. And this repeat, if I move these two or move that one, I can put these inside here and repeat this bounce as many times as I want. Here it's repeating it 4 times. That's a trick if you want to try that. Okay, good luck, programmers. Have fun.